What if I told you your car could do way more than you think? Today, we're checking out 12 insane car gadgets you've probably never seen before. From award-winning off-road lights to futuristic reverse cams and emergency tools that can genuinely save your day. Stick till the end, because the last one is something every car owner needs. Let's get started. Number 1. 3-inch LED pod lights. If you drive at night, this first gadget is a total game changer. These award-winning pod lights deliver 96W of intense brightness, with a unique halo amber/white DRL design that looks straight out of a concept show. They combine spot and flood beams for maximum visibility on any terrain. Perfect for trucks, ATVs, and off-road vehicles that want style and safety. Number 2. Tubeless tire repair kit. Ever had a flat tire at the worst possible moment? This prevents that situation. It uses mushroom-style plugs that seal punctures far better than traditional strips. The repair process is quick, reliable, and works on cars, bikes, ATVs, and tractors. A must-have tool for any emergency road kit. Its compact design makes it easy to store in your glove box or trunk. Number 3. LED car sun visor vanity mirror. With tough aluminum housing that holds up against harsh weather. This is for anyone who wants perfect lighting anytime. A rechargeable visor mirror featuring 60 LEDs, 3 light modes, and smooth touch dimming. It's slim, clean-looking, and installs in seconds. Ideal for quick touch-ups inside the car. The lighting stays consistent even in dark or uneven interior lighting. Number 4. Interior windshield cleaner tool. If you've ever struggled to clean the inside of your windshield, this solves it instantly. It comes with an extendable handle and ultra-dense microfiber pads. It removes fingerprints, smudges, and haze without effort. Perfect for anyone who wants clear visibility without stretching or bending. The reusable pads make it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Number 5. Acrylic interior car ambient LED lighting. Your car interior will look like a luxury spaceship after installing this. The fiber optic strips give clean, elegant lighting lines without visible hotspots. You get 16 million colors, music sync, and full app control. It completely transforms the cabin into a modern, premium environment. The lights stay flexible and durable even in hot interiors. Number 6. McKillen Swivel Gun Pro. Detailers love this tool, and it's easy to see why. The swivel design offers smooth, tangle-free washing with no wrist strain. Compatible with foam cannons and various pressure nozzles. It delivers professional-level cleaning results for any vehicle. Its ergonomic build makes long washing sessions much easier. Number 7. Bluetooth 5.3 car adapter. This small device can upgrade any old car into a modern, smart setup. It provides clear Bluetooth calling with DSP noise cancellation. Includes bass and treble boost along with dual fast charging ports. A simple and effective way to modernize your car's audio system. The display is bright and easy to read in daylight. Number 8. One of the smartest and easiest backup camera systems available. It installs in under 3 minutes with strong magnetic mounts. The 1080p camera and IPS monitor provide sharp visibility day or night. Perfect for trucks, RVs, trailers, and hitching heavy loads with accuracy. The solar charging feature keeps maintenance almost zero. Number 9. Ton electric hydraulic car jack. Changing a tire has never been this effortless. This cordless jack lifts vehicles up to 5 tons with the press of a button. It comes with a 4.0-amp battery, remote control, and safety locks. Essential for highway emergencies or roadside repairs. Its compact case makes it easy to store securely in the trunk. Number 10. Redline Parlux LED Tailgate Light Bar. If you want your truck to stand out at night, this gadget does it. This triple-row LED bar features bright running lights and sequential turn signals. Made from durable aluminum with full weather sealing. Ideal for Tacoma, Silverado, F-150, and similar trucks. Number 11. Upgraded silicone flexible oil funnel. A brilliant tool for clean and controlled oil changes. This moldable funnel bends into any shape you need. Makes it easy to reach tight engine spaces with zero spilling. Reusable, durable, and perfect for routine maintenance. The non-stick silicone material makes cleanup extremely easy. Number 12. Car door edge guards. Tired of door dings? This prevents them instantly. These flexible strips protect your paint from bumps and scratches. They blend with your car's design and install without tools. A simple gadget that saves you expensive body shop repairs. They stay firmly in place even during harsh weather. And that wraps up 12 amazing car gadgets you've probably never seen before. Comment which one you're getting, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. More powerful gadget videos are coming soon.